सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः. My name is Dhruva. I am studying in class of 7th standard Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir.
My name is Anirudh Prabhu. I am studying in class 7 of Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bangalore North.
My name is Adokshaja. I am studying in grade 8 of MES Kishore Kendra Public School.
We are learning Veda Mantra in Sanatana Veda Pathashala, Vidyaranyapura.
We are going to recite Medha Suktam.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om. Medha Devi Jushamana na Agaad Vishwachi Bhadra Sumanasya Mana Tvaya Jushtanudamana Duruktaan Brahadvadema Vidhate Suviraha Tvaya Jushtarishir-bhavati Devi Tvaya Brahma Gata Shrirutattvaya Tvaya Jushtaschitram Vindadeva Susano Jushasvadravino Namedhe Medham Indro Dadhatu Medhan Devi Saraswati Medham Me Ashwina Vubhava Dhattam Pushkarasraja Apsarasu Chaya Medha Gandharveshu Chayanmanaha Daivim Medha Saraswati Sama'am Medha Surabhirjushatagu Swaha Ama'am Medha Surabhirvishwarupa Hiranyavarna Jagati Jagamya Urjaswati Payasa Pinmamana Sama'am Medha Supratika Jushanta Mayi Medha Mayi Praja Mayi Agnistejo Dadhatu Mayi Medha Mayi Praja Mayi Indra Indriyan Dadhatu Mayi Medha Mayi Praja Mayi Suryo Bhrajo Dadhatu Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.